After years of smooth sailing with investors, IRS Section 871M establishes new regulations that bring risks and navigation challenges for financial institutions. Section 871M arose out of the IRS's concern that non-U.S. investors were using equity derivatives and other linked instruments to avoid U.S. withholding tax on dividends from U.S. securities. The IRS is now recharacterizing some of these payments so they are treated as a U.S. dividend equivalent amount subject to a withholding tax. The current guidance requires Delta One contracts in scope today, even though certain transition relief has been afforded. Financial institutions must create new systems and processes to monitor which products fall within scope of the regulations, and when required, implement withholding and reporting. Sorting through it all can easily become a tangled mess, but it's something IHS Markit is well equipped to handle for you. With extensive tax experience, our Tax Solutions Group has developed a three-part system for stress-free compliance and navigation of Section 871M. It screens, reports, and stores information so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. The Tax Solutions screening process determines when an equity derivative is in scope and subject to Section 871M. Then, we calculate the dividend equivalent amount subject to withholding by looking at the specific corporate action event and provide withholding tax rates based on the counterparty tax profile. Unlike any other service providers, we can also drill through an index or ETF to the weights and compositions for U.S. underliers in order to calculate the dividend equivalent amount. As part of our tax solutions offering, we can disseminate the required information to the custodians and depositories so that they can effectively make their own determinations as a withholding agent. We can also provide the relevant data elements for Form 1042-S reporting to the IRS. And to help you mitigate risks and manage compliance, Tax Solutions also offers centrally stored information for internal controls and audit governance. There's no need to bear the burden of developing screening instruments and calculating dividend equivalent amounts or withholding taxes. With IHS Markit, you can safely navigate the new tax regulations today and keep your eye on opportunities coming over the horizon. For more information about easily complying with IRS Regulation Section 871M, send a request to mk-taxsolutions@ihsmarkit.com.